Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about quadrilaterals, chapter 15. Quadrilaterals, a closed figure which is made up of four line segments is called a quadrilateral. A closed figure which is made up of or a closed figure which is formed by four line segments is called quadrilaterals. The figure of quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D be a quadrilateral. In the symbol of quadrilateral, in quadrilateral ABCD, a closed figure which is made up of four line segments is called quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, vertices four vertices A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D, four vertices. Two sides, four sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Angles, equilateral has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now one adjacent side, adjacent sides, adjacent sides, two sides, two sides are said to be adjacent sides of a quadrilateral if they have one common endpoint. Two sides of a quadrilateral are called its adjacent sides if they have one common endpoint, such that AB, BC, BC, CD, pair of adjacent sides, CD, DA and DA, AB, four pair of adjacent sides. And second is opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral are called opposite sides if they do not have a common endpoint. Two sides of a quadrilateral are called its opposite sides if they do not have a common endpoint, such that AB, AB, CD and BC, DA, two pair of opposite sides. Two pair of opposite sides. Now, third term is in a quadrilateral ABCD adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, third. Adjacent angle. Two angles of a quadrilateral are called its adjacent angle if they have a common arm. They have a common arm such that angle A, angle B, angle A, angle B, adjacent angle. Angle B, angle C, angle C, angle D, and angle D, angle A. Four pairs of adjacent angles. And number four, opposite angles. Opposite angles. Two angles are a quadrilateral. Two angles of a quadrilateral. Two angles of a quadrilateral are called its opposite angles if they do not have a common arm, such that angle A, angle C, angle A, angle C, and angle B, angle D. Two pairs of opposite angles. AC and diagonal. 5. Diagonal. Two diagonals. AC and BD. AC is diagonal. AC and BD are two diagonals. Now students, we have to learn about angle sum property of a quadrilateral. 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 In short form is ASP. ASP. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Theorem. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Draw a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. ABCD be a quadrilateral. So let A B C D be a quadrilateral. Let A B C D be a quadrilateral. To prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Proof. First of all, construction. Join AC. Join AC. So angle A divided into two angle and angle C also divided into two angle. Write the name angle 1, 2, 3 and this angle is 4. Angle A equal to angle 1 plus 4. Angle C equal to angle 2 plus 3. Proof. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. By angle sum property of triangle. It is equation 1. Now next, in triangle ACD, ACD, in triangle ACD, angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle D equal to 180 degree. It is also by ASP equation 2. From equation 1 plus equation 2. Adding both equation, angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 3 and plus angle D equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now arrange it. Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle B plus angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle D equal to 360 degree. Now that implies, students, angle 1 plus 4. Angle 1 plus 4 is angle A plus angle B. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to angle C and plus angle D equal to 360 degree proved. Understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve some examples. I write one example on your board. Example 2. The four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:3:5:8. The four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:3:5:8. Find the angle. Students, let angle A equal to 2x, angle B equal to 3x, angle C equal to 5x, and angle D equal to 8x. By angle sum property, in a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. That implies angle A equal to 2x plus angle B equal to 3x plus angle C equal to 5x plus angle D equal to 8x equal to 360 degree. Now 2x, 3x, 5x plus 5x, 10x, 10x plus 8x equal to 18x. 18x equal to 360 degree. That implies x equal to 360 degree by 18. 18 to the 36. So 20 degree. The value of x is 20 degree. Now, therefore, angle A equal to 2x equal to 2 into 20 degree equal to 40 degree. Angle B equal to 3x equal to 3 into 20 degree equal to 60 degree. Now angle C equal to 5x equal to 5 into 20 degree equal to 25 the 100 degree. First answer, second and third answer. And angle D equal to 8x, that means 8 into 20 degree equal to 160 degree. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example 3. In this question, the measures of two angles of a quadrilateral are 115 degree and 45 degree, and the other two angles are equal. The measures of two angles of a quadrilateral are 115 degree and 45 degree, and the other two angles are equal. Find the measure of each of the equal angles. So let each of the equal angle of a quadrilateral be x. Let each of the equal angle of a quadrilateral be x. By angle sum property ASP, the sum of the all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 115 degree plus 45 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. That implies 115 degree plus 45 degree. 5 degree plus 5, 10 of 0, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. And 160 degree. Plus x, 2x equal to 360 degree. That implies 2x equal to 360 degree minus 160 degree. That implies 2x equal to 360 degree minus 160 degree equal to 200 degree. That implies Ax equal to 200 degree by 2 equal to 100 degree answer. Each equal angle Vx, so each equal angle of a quadrilateral will be 100 degree. Students, now your homework is solve examples of exercise 15A. Thank you. That's all.